Hello mga kabatang helmet. So eto, regarding talaga sa naga. Launch na ng pangmalakasan ni Mayor Leni Robredo at ng LGU na Naga ang People's Budget Portal. So nandito talaga ang transparency, accountability dahil mismo ang taong bayan makikita sa website yan sa portal na yan yung budget na ina-allocate per program, per yung mga infrastructure, lahat ng proyekto. At dyan yung makikita kung saan napupunta yung taxes natin.
Budget Portal. Ngayon po yung launch nito. This builds upon our belief that the city's budget is a reflection of our heartbeat and collective priorities. With the People Empowerment Ordinance of 1995, reinforced by our 2017 People's Budget Ordinance, we have nurtured a culture where the people are co-authors of our governance. With this portal, we are reinforcing that spirit. This is a unified platform that serves all stages of our annual budget process. It allows city offices and our Naga City People's Council to submit programs, projects, and activities in a structured way, aligned with national DBM standards. Isingin ko lang po pala, kanina po I told you na yung budget process namin naka-anchor na dun sa 8 finish lines. Pero ang per cluster, ang head po nun dalawa, isa from City Hall and isa from the Naga City People's Council. So silang dalawa yung nagmamanage ng planning and budget process to ensure na hindi lang City Hall yung nagpaplano. Na yung aspirations saka yung mga gustong gawin ng mga NGOs and people's organizations are taking into account when we do the budget. So this program will show how each budget item aligns to our finish lines and outcomes. It will make cost assumptions and price data open to public scrutiny. It replaces the fragmented Excel and Google Sheets-based coordination between our City Budget Office, our City Planning and Development are starting to post their proposals are for public comment is now live on budget.naga.gov.ph. We will also make our budget data understandable, breaking down the jargon so that every citizen can see exactly where their taxes are going and how the investments align with our finish lines. We will steadily launch features throughout the year so that people are empowered to participate in every stage of the budget cycle, from budget preparation, legislation, review, execution, and accountability. Our mission is to make the budget process a meaningful exercise, shared between the city government and our citizens. A budget shaped and powered by all Nagueños. To complement this portal, we have been working on a broader People's Budget Reform Program. Our partners from the Naga City People's Council, WeSolve, People's Budget Coalition, and higher educational institutions have been organizing workshops and training activities to empower our sectors to build their own people's agenda and translate them into budget proposals. More broadly, we are making the People's Budget Proposal free and open source. Kaya lahat ng LGUs, pwede pong gayahin ito, pwedeng gamitin. All code, data schemes, and documentation will be publicly available, so that any LGU in this country can adapt, and build on what Naga has built. Ganun naman yung humuhusay, di ba? May mag-uumpisa, dadagdag ng iba, hanggang maganda na talaga siya. All of these efforts are geared towards a simple premise, that AI and technology can be a force for the greater good when they are built and used for the right reasons. The true measure of our work will always be answered by simple questions. Did it reach the person who needed it most? Did it make their life a little more dignified, a little more secure, and a little more their own? We are at a remarkable moment for governance in this country. Citizens are now demanding more. They expect their government to show up for them. They expect to understand where their taxes go. And there is hope when they are realizing their critical role as partners in creating fairer and more prosperous communities. Technology exists to help us reach these expectations. It is up to us to transform our systems to build stronger localities and a nation we truly deserve. Again, welcome to Naga City. Maraming salamat po. Diyos mabalos, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
For sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-click na rin ang like, i-share, mag-comment na rin kayo. Pero grabe talaga ang Naga City. Sabi rin ni Mayor Leni Robredo, pwede itong gayahin ng ibang LGU. So, kung saan ka mang local government unit na nakatira o na, kung ano man nasasakupan, pwedeng gamitin, gayahin, i-benchmark ng mayor nyo yung ganyan kasing portal para, for example, sa flood control o yung mga proyektong pangkalisada, doon sa portal na yan, makikita nyo kung magkano yung budget na inallocate, paano yung time frame, yung window ng pagpapatupad ng proyekto yan, o talaga may transparency and accountability at naging involvement ng taong bayan doon sa taxes na ibinibigay natin. Compulsory taxes, di ba? Kapilitan, mandatory na nag-aambag tayo. So, dapat may alam tayo. At ito pa, sabi ng Mayor Leni, ayan din yung kagandahan na pag yung mga AI o yung technology na gagamit ng tama sa mga ganyang paraan, hindi yung for fake news, disinformation, pero iba talaga sa Naga. Ay naku, makakapatang helmet. Tara na, lumipat na tayo sa Naga. Pero dyan nasusukat talaga kung may good governance, yung paano yung leadership, andun yung accountability, yung transparency. At doon sa mga nagsasabi na hindi kayo paglalaban ni Mayor Leni Robredo, yung ganyang action, yung ganyang, yung ganyang pamumuno, ipinaglalaban ka. Kasi binibigyan ka ng transparent na pamamahala. At yun yung pinaka-importante, mga kapatang helmet. Ang ganda ng heroes.
Batang helmet, always on the truth side, fighting disinformation and fake news wide. Charity ready to help the nation, a beacon of hope for a new creation.